Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole. As you can tell, the title of this video, this is a Vogue inspired makeup tutorial. I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. This is something that I've been really into watching on YouTube, so I wanted to go ahead and film like a makeup style like this and see if you guys enjoyed these. I think they're a little fun and like a little bit more personal, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is I always do my eyeshadow, so I'm going to take this palette I created with a bunch of Makeup Geek matte shadows and take this shade right here, which is called Beaches and Cream, and I'm going to just apply that into the crease of my eye. And I'm sure as you can see, I have this huge breakout situation going on by my nose. That's what happens when you pop a pimple that you knew you had no business popping. It hurt me so much. Like, it was one of those where you could feel the pain, and so I was so ready to just like get it over with. It wasn't ready, so in reality I just broke my skin, got nothing really to come out, had a lot of blood, and now I formed a new pimple just a little bit lower than that, so I've really suffered the consequences. I just applied a little bit of a winged liner off camera on both eyes, obviously. Imagine if like that was doing one eye at a time, like only one eye have a wing. Interesting. So next I'm just going to curl my lashes, and usually after I curl my lashes I have to like touch up my line because for some reason when I do this it like takes off sometimes my liner. Next for mascara, like I've mentioned before, I've been using the Damn Girl mascara by Too Faced. I like this mascara. It just is a little bit thick on the wand. I mean, I like a thick wand, but I feel like sometimes the mascara itself gets a little bit chunky, so you have to like very sparing with your layers that you put on. I'm not going to apply any bottom mascara, so I move on to the next step. For the base, I'm going to be using one of my favorite bases for like foundation, or I don't know if this is considered like a CC cream or something, but it is the YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow, and I'm in the shade B20. It's considered, I guess, a fresh dewy makeup, natural, medium coverage, long-lasting hydration, and oil-free. This is my favorite because of the fact that I have dry skin and I also have eczema. I get really dry skin, especially around the winter time. Even when I'm outdoors, like in natural sunlight, I have had people at the bus stop tell me like, wow, like what is on your skin? It looks so good. Next for concealer, I'm going to apply this Jouer High Coverage Essential Concealer in the shade Cream Cafe. I'm going to apply this under my eyes just a little bit. And I'm not gonna lie, this one is very full coverage. So I'm gonna take this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade 09 Dolce Baked Bronzer and just lightly, nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy, gets crazy. It's okay, and just apply that to my cheekbones. But something I've actually been liking recently is more so like tapping it on the skin. Next, I'm going to be using this Burt's Bees blush in the shade Shy Pink. I've been liking to take my blush a little bit more high this way, look at my cheeks. Next for highlight, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlight in Mean Money and HUSLA Baby, and I use the HUSLA Baby side because it's more metallic side, and I'm just going to messily take this on my fingers and apply it that way so that it's not like super precise with the brush. I see fit. Now I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. I'm going to apply this new favorite of my makeup collection. This is the Creme lipstick, and this is in the shade or color or number Pink 3, part of not the nude collection but the pink collection, and then just kind of work with that with my fingers. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.